Welcome back. We're going to use triangle sum properties to find what is the value of x. Let's look at the first practice. We see a right angle symbol. Therefore, we know these two acute angles are complementary. If they're complementary, means when I add them together, I always have a 90. Let's say this is x, this is 2x, therefore we have 3x is 90, divided by 3, divided by 3, x is 30. We just find x is 30. Let's look at the second one. Triangle family has 3 family members. They have a budget. The budget is all the interior angle added together. The sum is always 180. So that's their budget. Alright, so we're going to put it together to x degree 3x degree 50, x degree is 180. Alright, go ahead and solve this, see what you have. I'm going to combine like terms. And 55, 180. I'm going to subtract 55 each side. I have a 5x is 125. Divided by 5, divided by 5, and x is 25. All right, this one, we're going to use this rule. Did you remember? It says in a triangle, the measure of the exterior angle, this is exterior angle, is always the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angle. Therefore, I'm going to add this two non-adjacent angle. That gives me the sum. Equals, that's equals. Exterior angle, that is x. Therefore, x is 50 plus 70. X is 120. 120. All right. That's it. That's all we need to do. Find x, the value of x. Happy learning.